of the city headlines. She is an exceptional woman, an entrepreneur, educator, and media leader. A gold medalist in hotel management, she has served as an assistant professor at PCTE, shaping future professionals. Her corporate expertise has helped organizations like Bharti Group, Trident, and IOL Pharmaceuticals. As the director of Grace Studio, a successful fashion house, and the City Headlines, a rapidly growing digital media platform with over 1 million followers, she has made a significant impact across industries. Ma'am is a true inspiration who blends hard work, resilience, and innovation in every field she touches. We are grateful to have you among us, ma'am. I request our Honorable Principal, ma'am, to extend a green welcome to Navneet, ma'am.
Yes, yours.
Let's celebrate this powerful vision with a resounding round of applause. It is the time to invite our esteemed panelists to take their seats on the stage. I first invite Mrs. Navneet Kaur, followed by Mrs. Hashima Baku, Mrs. Prabjot Kaur, Dr. Anshul Chaudhary, and Dr. Paramjeet Kaur to kindly come forward and take their respective seats.
First of all, a very warm welcome to all the 5 brilliant ladies sitting in front of me. And as I was going through your each one profile shared, you are many in one. I find girls more enthusiastic because they are more diligent and they are more meticulous in planning, and they have this natural skill of handling every challenge in their own way. Although they are considered to be more emotional, but those emotions make them strong. Those emotions make them wise to handle every situation. Today, you have class fellows as girls. Tomorrow, you will move out in the professional life. You will have colleagues as women, right? Then you will have your life partners as women. So unless and until you create an atmosphere where they feel safe to come out late in the night and contribute to the economy. So a lot depends on the male counterparts, how you treat them.
Thank you so much for your kind words and a great message, because whenever I used to come here as a parent, it's a different scenario altogether. But whenever I listen to your principal, Ms. Kaushal ma'am, I always feel like that she has a great message to deliver to all of us. Social media is a very important thing. You know, it is a very powerful thing. So there is a saying that it is a great responsibility. It is a great saying here that whenever we do something, it has to be backed up with a great knowledge behind it. And whenever we talk about social media, it is a great power which brings great responsibility. Women have various problems, like when it comes to harassment, when it comes to cybercrime, when it comes to mental health. I am sure each one of you must have these basic problems that you would see around that keeps moving it up. Now, what is the solution for it? So, have you ever thought, okay, why not to use your Instagram as a process of creating awareness? Have you ever thought that? Some of you must have YouTube, you must have subscribers, you must be creating your vlogs. But have you ever thought that you should create those vlogs for a woman's safety? Educate your mother first. For what? For a cybercrime. I mean, just a small message to the young crowd. अगर आप लोग जर्नलिज्म करना चाहते हो, या किसी के अंदर एक वो पावर है कि मुझे सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ करना है, या खुद के लिए कुछ करना है, या मासेस पे कनेक्ट करना है, we are coming up with a program of citizen journalists. That means अगर आप अपने किसी भी कोने पे हो, अगर आप कुछ गलत होता हुआ देख रहे हो, be it men के साथ, be it women के साथ, आप City Headlines को contact कर सकते हो. You can take the numbers from my camera person here. तो आप उनसे नंबर ले सकते हो और आप भी एक सिटीजन जर्नलिस्ट बन सकते हो. अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन दो, we will post it. Remember, इंफॉर्मेशन देनी आसान है, लेकिन इंफॉर्मेशन वो दो जिसके साथ फैक्ट चेक्स हो, क्योंकि एक गलत इंफॉर्मेशन किसी का करियर खराब कर सकता है, और it can, we say it can make it or it can break it. So it's very important that अगर आप ये citizen journalism बनना चाहते हो, you want to be a part of it, you want to join the team, you're most welcome, but responsible.
We hear a lot about body positivity. What does that really mean?
Who is your role model in female category? Who is your role model? You can name any. Yes. Who is your role model in female category?
Yeah, apart from my mom, I
Big clap for her.
And apart from her, I admire Namita Thapar a lot. She is a very aspiring business leader.
Body positivity simply means accepting and appreciating your body, feeling empowered, right? Does physical health affects it? Certainly yes. If you are, at a very good position, working at a very good position, but you are not physically well, will you be able to do your duties the way it should be?
So my next question is for Ms. Prabjot Kaur. Here's something we all wonder about. Even if women earn money, do they always get to decide how to spend it? Or men in their families still have a say in it?
Now we are more digitalized. हम सबने सुना होगा SIPs होती हैं, जिसको हम बोलते हैं systematic investment plan. So we have a different thing that the teachers who already earning the phase and students who are going to enter into that phase when they will get a good job. So सबसे पहले ये है the kids more than the age of 10 years they can get their account open, zero balance. And they can have their independent account and they can credit in a number of amount 100, 200, 500. So do start with the very small steps. Apart from that, the earning people do follow a rule of 50, 30 and 20. So 50 is like spend your 50% of your earning on the necessity things and 30% of the diversified and 20% should be your saving.
What are the reasons for your stress? Career, future. So basically, you have to meet certain deadlines. You have to build up your future. You have to build up your career. Have you ever thought about social media pressure? Comparison आता है उसके पास ये है तो मेरे पास क्यों नहीं? We talk about familial pressure. We talk about the societal pressure. We talk about the career. But we are not talking about the stress generated because of the social media. So this is the thing. We have to look for our lifestyle. We have to check for our nutrition. Then we have to be we have to manage our time.
So restrictions, right? This is a very old, in vocabulary, it is a very old word, restriction. So restrictions किसने put up की हैं? हमने खुद की हैं. क्या हम उन restrictions को break कर रहे हैं? इसलिए? Or we are aware now. What is the reason? What is the reason? More awareness. So restriction word हमें यूज नहीं करना है. कोई restriction नहीं होती हम हमारे ऊपर, ठीक है? हम खुद restriction word यूज कर रहे हैं कि restriction है. There is no restriction. तो बेटा thing is कि you all are equal. ठीक है? जेंडर डिफरेंस नहीं होना चाहिए. बॉय है या गर्ल है, ये तो अपने यहाँ से खत्म ही कर दो. अब अगर आपने बढ़ना है ना, ये चीज आपके माइंड में से खत्म होनी चाहिए कि